As we have seen, MAC address is used to make sure that network packet goes in the right direction. So each packet has a source MAC and a destination MAC, and it travels from the device that has the source MAC to the device that has the destination MAC. Now this is how wireless card works by default, and this mode is known as the manage mode. In this mode, our wireless device will only receive packets or will only try to capture packet that have our device MAC address as the destination MAC. It will only capture packets that are actually directed to our computer. What we want to do, however, is enable it to capture any packet that is around us, any packet that is within our range. And to do that, we are going to use a mode called monitor mode. In this mode, the wireless card captures everything around it, even if the destination MAC is not our MAC. We will then be able to capture all of the packets within our range, even if they are not directed to our device. We are going to make use of a tool called airmong-ng to do it. So first, we type airmong-ng on the terminal. Alright, I forgot to add sudo, so let me go back and add sudo. Sudo airmong-ng. Alright, I need to enter my password. And as we can see, it lists the wireless cards available. We have a wireless card called LAN 0. So we are going to start monitor mode on this interface. So the next thing that we are going to do is to disable the card using the command ifconfig LAN 0 down. So I'll simply type sudo ifconfig LAN 0 down. The next command that we are going to type is airmong-ng check kill. And the essence of this command is to kill any process that might interfere with enabling the monitor mode. So we just come to our terminal and just type the command airmong-ng check kill and then hit enter. Okay, so I forgot to add sudo. So sudo airmong-ng check kill. As you can see, it has killed all the processes that airmong-ng thinks might interfere with enabling the monitor mode. So next, we are going to run the command airmong-ng start LAN 0. So just come to the terminal and then type this command sudo. I'll add sudo since I'm running on the account is a non-root account. So sudo airmong-ng then start. All right, start LAN 0. And then I'll hit enter. Now, as you can see on the terminal, a monitor mode has been enabled on the interface LAN 0 mode, which is the virtual wireless interface. Now we can use iwconfig to check. So I'll simply come to the terminal and then type the command sudo iwconfig, followed by the new name of the virtual interface, LAN 0 mon. So LAN 0 mon, and then I'll hit enter. So as we can see now, the 0 mon interface is in monitor mode. And what this means is that we can use this card to capture any packet within our range, even if the packet is not directed to our device, and even if it doesn't have MAC address of our device as the destination MAC. Note that when we enable monitor mode, the card will lose its network connection. So if it was connected to a wireless network, it will get disconnected. And now this is normal because the card will not be in manage mode, and it will be capturing all of the packets that are available to it. So instead of only capturing the packets that are directed to it, this doesn't really matter, because when we enable monitor mode, we actually want to hack into a different network or capture packet from networks that we don't have passwords for. So it is completely normal for us to lose our internet connection. So now, if you want to stop monitor mode, we use the command airmong-ng stop LAN 0 mode. So we just come to the terminal and then type sudo airmong-ng then stop LAN 0 mon, which is the new name of the interface set by airmong-ng. So we just type sudo, which is the command that will enable us run commands on a non-root account. Super user do, then airmong-ng is the name of our tool, then stop. We are telling it to stop this the virtual interface LAN 0 mon, which is in monitor mode. Now we want to stop it from monitor mode to manage mode. So I'll just hit enter. Now, as you can see on the terminal, now it has changed from LAN 0 mon to its former name, which is LAN 0. Now monitor mode has been disabled, and we can use LAN 0 in manage mode to connect to networks and use it normally as we have been using it before.